Hello and welcome to Learn Development channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add roles and permission in Power BI Service Workspace. This video will enlighten you to know how you can add members, then also remove or assign roles to them. This video is very easy, or this task is very easy when dealing with or using Power BI Service. So now launch Power BI Service, then go to workspaces, click on workspaces. You can add workspace, new workspace if you've not created yours. So we create one dev workspace, then click on here, that's advanced. Okay, you can add description, or you can assign domain or anything here, or you can add workspace image. So click on advanced here, then click on pro, then click on apply. So now we've created our workspace. So now our main aim is to add a member, then also assign roles to them. So click on dev, that's your workspace, click on three dots here, then click on workspace access, then click on add people or group. So now let's add anyone in your organization. So add anyone, that's so let's assign a role. So click on viewer, then let's assign a role. So I'll assign admin to him, then I'll click on add. So when you go back, you can see those who are admin in the workspace. So when dealing with workspace, especially if you have a task that you want to publish or anything that you want to assign a role to a member, or you want to add members to it who can also work using the same project. So I'll leave here so that you press your own. Goodbye.